Oo nga, buy one take one itong lifetime folding chair which is 1.8. 591 milli is 739 from 939. Dalawa na, it's Moscato Hardee's 714. Nuggets 359. Bago to.
I've been talking to Santa, and he told me everything that you want this year. I went shopping and planning, ribbons and candles. I got it all right here. Mistletoe and champagne, I'll pour it on Christmas morning. Everything on your list, it's waiting if you go looking for it. I know you'll adore it. Your favorite gift.
Hey guys, welcome back to another SNR vlog. So today is already December 4 and it is a Monday. Medyo maraming tao ngayon dahil holiday buong Davao or I think Mindanao because of the earthquake. So wala na ako ibang schedule kundi ngayon lang. So guys, if you are new to my channel, my name is Hazel and please consider subscribing sa aking channel and sana magustuhan nyo ang vlog na to and thank you for those for always supporting me and keep on watching. First, buy one take one na black 32 inches smart TV 15,595. Etong ano na to, party speaker is 4,990. Portable, rechargeable. 100 watts, max power. Turbo floor fan, 20 inches. Buy one, take one, 2,995. And then itong kettle na to, which is electric kettle. Yan ang brand, Kitchen Lux, 1,095. And then, itong turbo broiler na to is 2,945, buy one, take one. 7 liters. And another buy one, take one, 5 liters food steamer. It is 1,995. Guys, another buy one, take one na rice cooker. This is 1.8 liter. Ang brand is Bowman. It is 1,995. Kung gusto mo ng mas mura, dito naman yung brand na black, which is 1,475. Ito ay 5 cups capacity. Oo nga, buy one, take one. Etong ano na to guys, electric fan. Stand fan, 16 inches. And then guys, maganda tong brand na to. 3,295 buy one take one. Ang laki niya, tinan mo. Oh, 18 inch to. Induction cooker. Ah, ano pala? 3,395. Ayan. Buy one take one din itong single burner. And then meron silang double burner. I know. Ito. Pero hindi siya buy one take one. 1,995. Meron silang air fryer na ganito. 25 liters, 1,700 watts. 7,795. Dati siyang 9,000. They have a deep fryer, black din ang brand, which is 1.5 liter, 1,395. And then may itong ano na to, Kitchen Lux air fryer, 4.5 liter. Ayan o. All-in-one cooker, fry, roast, grill, and bake. Ganda ng design niya. It's 2,695. Mura na to. Capacity 4.5. Popcorn maker 1,995. Ito, meron silang Oster Power Hand Mixer 1695. And then kung gusto nyo, meron ding buy one take one yung Cotton Lux. Tama ba yung pronunciation ko? 2295. And then meron din isa 1595. Black yung brand. Ayan. Yung hand mixer na yan. Gusto nyo din ng stand mixer, meron 3495. Buy one, take one. Ayan, kung gusto nyo nung mas matibay konti, siguro. 4.2 liter stand mixer from Bowman. 4995. Meron na siyang kasamang dough hook, flat beater, whisk. Ayan. Gusto mo ng mas mahal, eto ka. Si KitchenAid. 25,995. Meron silang electric mixer which is electric meat slicer pala. Yan guys. So ito yung mga available na coffee maker nila dito or coffee machine, Dolce Gusto, Bowman, capsule espresso machine. Ang aesthetic nitong ano na to, pour over kettle, 1699. Ito. Meron din to guys, Odette ang brand, pero mas mahal siya, 3995. Ayan, kung naghahanap kayo ng ice crusher, panghalo-halo, 2299. Meron din silang mas mura konti, 2145. Meron silang ice maker. Itong Tyler, which is 15,995. Meron din itong isang klase na to. Ano to? 7,995. Maganda rin to guys. So, warming tray. Glass top. It's 2,995. Pag may party kayo, para at least ano lang siya, ready na to entertain your guests. Meron na kayong warmer. Heavy duty tong mga to. This is 5,795 cooktop induction ng Bowman. Ito naman air fryer ng Bowman which is 8,995. 10 liters na yan. And then ito din coffee boiler which is 5,295. 14 liter capacity. Lava Rock Barbecue Griller, 18,995. And meron din tong ano to, soup warmer. Ito para sa mga nag-catering, ganyan. May restaurant, 4,295. And then, this one is a blender which is heavy duty rin to, 10,495. Dati siyang 12K. Ito yung refill bags ng Tyler pala. Vacuum bags, 745. 3-in-1 sandwich maker with grill from Bowman, 1695. Oh, ito meron silang food dehydrator, 8 liter capacity which is 3,190. Ito yung mga nauuso ngayon, mga dried vegetables, beef jerky, dried fruits. Ayan, pwede nyo dito gawin yan. Maganda rin tong sandwich maker na to guys. Kasi 3-in-1, may waffle maker, may sandwich and griller siya. 2,895. Ayan, Kitchen Lux. And yung isa naman Bowman. Mas mura yung Bowman. And then they have this bread toaster, 1695. Ito, aesthetic. 3,595. Ito yung knock twice nila na LG. Ano to guys? Ang price nila ay 119,599. So, 11,019,600. So, yan si LG, yan si Whirlpool. Parehong inverter. But this one is 47,995. And that one is 50,998. So that's 60K. 60K, and this is 47,500. Ayan. Tingnan natin sa loob para you have idea. And then the other one, mas malaki yata ito ng konti. Almost the same siya, guys. Iba lang yung brand. Oh, naka-sale itong ano na to, canning jars with lid. 499. Dati siyang 999. Ang dami na, oh. And then, even this one, tinan mo, 700 yung bawas nyo. Dati siyang 1,300. Wala ka. Daming sale. 500 na lang to. Dati siyang 1,000. And this one, may bawas na 250. Ganda to kasi babasagin siya. This one is may less na 500. And then, si Anchor Hacking. Ito, container. Ganda to. 6-piece na siya. And this one, oh, ito yung mga baon nun. Pang mga ano yan, adult. Hindi yan pwede sa babies. Sa mga toddlers, sa mga anak natin na nasa elementary grade school. Ito guys, orange squeezer nila dito. Maganda yung quality, which is 104.9. KitchenAid ang brand nitong measuring set na to. 12 piece, 1-2. Oh, buy one, take one. Itong measuring cup. Good deal na to guys kasi glass siya. 299, so 150 each, which is a good deal. And then meron silang set ng knife pala dito. O bago to 5K. 4.5. Then 1.5 naman itong cheese board with knives. 1.7 ito guys. Fruit infuser na pitcher. Pero dati siyang 3K. Mura na. Itong Anchor, ito yun, yung jar na mas malaki, which is 500. Ito, buy one, take one siya guys. 649. So, 8 na ang makukuha mo. Laki. By the way, I'm with my son, Ryle. Say hello to the vlog. You're still eating your boba? Finish it. Of course, we are with Daddy. This is 1,700. This is a must buy for a baker, a pastry, what's this, baker. Ayan, oh guys, bago to. Ngayon ko lang to nakita.
Do you have 500?
This is from 2,000, 1,700 na lang siya.
Do you have 500?
No, I don't have.
Because if you have 500, we could buy it.
Why, you have 1,000? Oh, that's so sweet naman. See, this is so nice, anak.
Wait, let me check my wallet.
No, it's okay, it's okay. You can buy that for your toy, not for mom. Ito guys, glass bakeware storage, 32 piece. Grabe, 500 ang bawas. Ang ganda. Ang rolling pin nila is 299. Oh, this one. 2-tier wood and metal server, which is 3,000. Dati siyang 3,999. And itong, ano na to, 799 na lang. May 5-piece siya na plato. Pero ang ganda, dessert plate. Ito, ganun din, 3,000. Tropical serving bowl. Pwede siya sa mga smoothie, para sa mga fruits. Ayan. 749. Ito naman, may dalawa siyang white na serve bowl. 750 na lang. From 1.3. Dinnerware natural 12-piece set. 1.3. Or, I mean, sorry. It's 2K from 2.5.
You want to be left behind.
Ito naman, ano to? Serving platter. Buy one, take one. Otto stainless steel flatware na ito. Mga kutsara tinidor. 2.5. Doon tayo sa itaas. Service for 4.17. Ito. Dinnerware. Ayan, naka-sale pa rin siya. 1.5. Yung white na yan. And then, meron pa pala to gourmet setting. Hotel and Melody flatware. 20 piece. Pero ang ganda. Tingnan nyo guys. Ang ganda ng quality. 1.7. This one is nice one. Ang ganda. Over and back circle dinnerware set. 16 piece. 2.3. Si Corel 8.5 na lang. Dati siyang 11.1129. 11.129. So may save ka na 2.630. Ang laki ha. Ay, ang ganda nito. 1.799 na lang. Ang ganda oh. Tapos ito naman, Top Choice Living with silver rim, 20 piece, 2K. 2K ito. Ito, 2.8. Gusto mo ba ng malaking stock pot? Ayan, 5K. 24. Yan. Tapos, same lahat. Mas maliit. 16. Which is 4,000. This is 5,000. Mas mura itong SNR brand, which is 3K. Itong Duralex na to is 16 piece, 12 ounce, 1.5. Dati siyang 2K. Ito naman mas malalaki, 18 piece, 1.8. Dati siyang 2.5. Wala, 500 na lang. 550 na lang to guys. O, Mason Craft glass. Ito, 379. Acrylic siya. Yan, para hindi masyadong nakaka-nervyos pag maghugas, pag maramihan. Yan. Ito naman, ang for hacking, ang brand. 16 piece. Ayan yung kanyang details. Which is 1.3 from 1.7. Ito yung mga favorite ko dito. $2K na lang from 4,000. So, 50% off. Oval French oven. Cast iron. May white and may orange. Same doon. Ayun. Ito naman from 5K, 3.5 na lang. Ito, iba naman to. SNR member selection cookware set 2.5 from 3.5. Ito naman from 7.5 6K na lang. Buy one take one pala to guys. Unfortunately, hindi siya buy one, take one. From 3K to 3. 4 feet. Adjustable. Ayan, na-adjust yan. And then, ang 4 feet na ito, fold and half, is 1.8 from 2.2. Ayan siya, guys. And then, this one is fold and half table, 8 feet. Hindi siya sale. 5K. Maraming tao ngayon kasi nga walang pasok. Okay, dito tayo sa comforter, which is yan. Meron din 2,000. $399 ito guys. Buy one take one. Kahit anong color. Ito guys, oh, ganda nito. Printed coverlet. Assorted. Buy one, take one, 1-3. Ang ganda ng mga colors. Mix and match yan. Buy one, take one. Itong lifetime folding chair, which is 1.8. Yan guys, oh. And then ito pala, buy one, take one. Fold and half, 8 feet. 4.2. Itong hanger na to, 900. From 1.3. And then, itong organizer or storage shelves. Ang ganda guys. Ano na lang yan, 900 from 1.3. Sorry, hindi pala yun ang ang 900. Ito pala yung 900 guys. Ano pala yan? That is 5,000 buy one, take one. And then, itong ano na to, trolley is 3,000 buy one, take one. Ito siya. Okay, itong ladder all-in-one multi-position 18 feet. Ayan ang details. 10K yan. And then this one is 3-step aluminum stool 2.2. Okay, ito naman ganda nito. Hand truck 4K. Folding stool 900. Etong sliding basket organizer from 999 ngayon 699 na lang. Ito naman 799 from 999. Hindi ko alam, wala yung presyo nito guys. Sorry, hindi ko mabigay. Ano pala yan? 1K from 1.5. And then, ito, storage na 6-piece, 1.3 na lang, from 2.5. Ito, 1.2 from 8.49. Sorry, 1.2 dati, ngayon 8.49 na lang. Ang ganda naman nito, from 1.3, 799, food bag storage organizer. And ito, stackable storage bin 3 set, 1.4 from 2,000. Ito, ang ganda nito, drawer, cabinet, 2-tier. 599. Dati siyang 1K. Grabe, laki ng mga masisave niyo. Ito sa baba, bamboo. Bamboo bin organizer. Organized. 1.3. Meron ditong foldable storage ottoman from 1.8, 1.3 na lang. Ayan. 2 na siya. Dalawa. 2-pack. KitchenAid dish rack 2.5 from 2,999. Yung isang brand naman from SNR or Member Selection 1.5. Ito yung mga dish rack nila guys. Ang Coleman nila, Japan version. Ayan, 4,999. Yung mas maliit, 3,429. Iglo brand, 3,500. Yung mas maliit, which is 16, ito 30. Yung 16, ano lang ito, 2,899. Pero may gulong. Ito wala siyang gulong. Ganda ng mga ano nila, lounge chair with ottoman na yan, yung tatlong yan. Pero iba-ibang presyo guys. Zoom ko or ano ko na lang, lalapit ko na lang. Ganda ng yellow. Folding gazebo, which is 4K. 4K ito. Barbecue tool set, 1.6. Ay, ang ganda niyan. From 2.4. Charcoal, 259. 10K ito guys. So, 10K. Smokeless grill, 2.6. Ay, ang ganda nitong ano na to, table na to guys. Yan na niya yung price. 6 siya, 6 chairs. Ito naman, 4 chairs. 13.5. Ganda nito. Itong canopy na to, may mga ano siya sa side. Mas durable siguro to kasi mas mahal siya eh. From 13 or 14,000, 12K na lang. One set yan, one set. This one is 2-tier. Purple naman to, 3,000. Buy one, take one. Ito guys, oh, holiday kitchen mat. Cute. This is 1.3. And this one is how much? This is 999. Yung storage na yon 899. And this one is no value. Oh,
Can that be my birthday gift?
oh my God, you have a lot of vehicles na in the house. Our house is so tiny. How much is that, Ryle? $3,999? 3,199. So it's 3,200. Oh, I hope your Ninang is watching so she can buy that. May mga mat pala dito, yoga mat. From 1 to FA yung brand. Which is nice. From 1 to 999 na lang. 4 wheels. 1, 2. Okay. Marami silang ano ngayon, toys for the first time. Kasi magpapasko na. Tignan nyo to. 'Di ba ang cute nitong ano na to.
Mama, ko
Yan. Itong coffee maker, tignan nyo guys. $749. Tapos ito din, lawn mower. And then Dyson. Dyson. Cute. 2,089. Ito naman, 999. Ay, ang dami, ang cute. Ayan guys. Tingnan nyo nila yung mga, ano ha. Hindi ko nasasabihin yung mga presyo. Ilalagay ko na lang dito. I mean, papakita ko na lang. Itong car na ito, twin turbo 4K. Ito, 4.5. Buy one, take one pala to guys. Oh, dinosaur transporter. 2,000. And ito, 1.8. Construction site. Ito din, buy one, take one yan. This one. Buy one, take one itong ano na to. JCB ang brand. Hindi pala yan ang buy one, take one. Ito pala. Teamsters. Wala akong presyo nito guys. Sorry. Ito, 1.2. Ay, maganda to, Rilo. National Geographic paint. They have this one. Look at this. Elevated pet cot. It's 2.3. Cute naman ito. Fur. 3.2. Ang hirap naman yan paglabhan mo. Let's check the price of this one. This is 900. Ilang kilo to? This is 10 kilos and that one is 7 kilo, 599. Siyempre si Ariel, 1339. 7.5 kilo, and then 3.35 kilo, 559. Ay, meron ditong Zip Color Care detergent, 719. Cycles for babies, 464. Meron silang laundry capsules here, 674. Si Vernel, 214. Si Downy, 289. Pero, 1.38 liter na. Ito, 1.8 liter. And Fabcon nila, 3 liters ng Surf is 509. 189, 1.8 liter ang members value. Baking soda, 679. Ganda nito, ang laki pa. Dami. 1.3, 8.5 liter Fab Soft. Anong brand? Suavitel. Laki niya, guys. Okay, si Lysol, 495, 494.
Watch the sun go down, then the moon appear. We'll eat mince pies.
So maraming may cockroach.
Then you cuddle closer.
Evian, 649. Fiji, 809. Itong malalaki. Itong maliliit, 439. 49 ang isa. 49.
Christmas time with you. I ask Father Christmas now for just one little thing. It's something only angels can bring. To see you walk on in here now through that creaky
419. This is 424. Pero, 2-ply, 400 sheets, 20 rolls. Ito naman, 24 rolls, pero 300 sheet. Yun. Pero alam niyo, mas maganda yun. Etong Cetaphil na ito, cleanser, 591 milli, is 739 from 930 soap, 499. Pero ang laki niya. Buy one, take one. 259 banana chips. Si Twix, guys, 259 from 309. Si nacho chips ay 260. And then this peanut over here is 269. Ah, sorry, it's 559 pala. This is 1.5 from 2.5. It's a high quality aluminum. Ito lang yun ha, wala ito. So yeah. And then this one, look at this clock, guys. It's 1.5. And this one is 5,995. So cute. Oh, by the way, etong ano na to, basket, 1.5 na lang siya, guys. Not a basket, sorry. Gasket. May wheel siya. Look. There's a wheel. Yeah. Thank you to my foot. Maganda tong caddy na to kasi malapad siya, guys. So, hindi siya yung normal caddy na nakikita natin. Kasi ito, compare nyo yan. Yan at saka to. Ang ganda nito. This is 2,999, which is 3K na. Ito naman ay 19. Functional. Pang commercial to. Dito lang may prem sa SNR. Sa ibang supermarket, wala. This is 178. One po.
Meron na suplit. Yan na.
You just want the toothpick, right? Jin ramen. Samyang 199. Laksa and stir fry 174. Sapporo Ichiban Miso Ramen 5 na siya, 299. Ah, 179. Mango salsa 359. Ito mix siya, halo-halo 164. This fruit cocktail is 167. And honey butter is 209 from 230. Chef Tony 340 grams 279. And itong original 199. Almond 179. $499 yan. Ito macadamia na dry roasted 649, and deluxe mixed nuts, which is this one, is 369. Gusto mo na mas healthy, 384. Cashew 399. Itong planters na to is 1,549. Adobo garlic 579, and super garlic mix 189. Ayan. Peter dates 1-2. Ito dried cranberries 349. Dried cranberries 459. Si prune 549. Si raisins 369. Ito naman si blueberries 799. Oh, nag-sale ngayon. May bawas na 30 pesos or 34. Ang spinach dip, ang chunky salsa, 170 na lang. $169. Bago ito, iced tea mix, 539 pag may party kayo, ayan. Dami. Tapos meron din silang, ito bago din to dito guys, raspberry 2 kilo, 469. Lemonade, pink lemonade is 789. Yung Tang Orange is 745. Kool-Aid, 899. 2.33 kg. Ito yung Starbucks Frappuccino, 129. Ang Twix, guys, na iced coffee, 199. And then si Snickers ay 199 din. Mga bago yan dito. And then ito, iced coffee, 189. 209 si Americano, which is 1 liter in a pouch. 209 naman si Hazelnut. Same lang sila. And then meron ditong macchiato, Cafe Fredo, 200 ml. Movenpick, 79. Pancake nila na tatlo ay 170, 175. And then syrup, 285, Mrs. Butterworth. 299. Si Hungry Jack, ayan, meron silang dark chocolate chip cookies ngayon ng Ghirardelli, which is 329. Ito, dito tayo sa mga baking supplies. Dark chocolate compound, 289 yan. And then this is 279, semi-sweet. Mas mura dito compare sa SNR. I mean, sa mga supermarket. Yan, meron silang Bensdorp na cocoa powder, which is 279. Hershey's, 549. Kano to? This is 1,299. Ang dami na. Ayan guys, 15 pieces. Ito, meron na siyang hawakan, 'di ba? 169. Pagtamad kang magugas ng plato mo, 1499. Ito yung mga spices na available dito. May garlic crunch, which is 412. Ito, 412. And then, meron din silang minced garlic, 529. Ayan. Ito yung mga iba, 659, 379, 369 para sa soup. They also have flaxseed, 259. 1,099 ito. Ito naman with lid, 399. Ito, 589. Ang ganda, iba-ibang color. Pwede sa Christmas, sa New Year, o diba? Oo, salted. Ano diba? Pang restaurant na siguro yan. Pang restaurant levels. Oo, tinan mo yung seasoning guys, oh. Salted egg. And then ito, crispy fry. They have the floss, pork floss. This is the mixed roots chips, which is 229. 229 din itong shrimp. Sonoma. Pepperoni, 249, 249. 10 grams of protein. Onion rings from TGIF is 320. 129 ito. Meron pa rin silang Irving's, which is 599. Wala. 149. Ketchup naman to. 149. Chili lime, the same 149. Coffee Mate, 589. 560 ounce. $5.59 Herman instant oats. Arla cheese, 238. Ito yung UAE na brand from Herman. Peanut butter crunch is 199, pero ang dami nila, guys. Tingnan nyo. This is already 800 grams. Meron din siyang crunch or ito pala yung creamy. 800 grams din. Fiskipi is 498. Ito naman 279. This one is 195. Meron silang hazelnut with oranges. It's 350 gram from Turkey. 169. Oh, for throat, 149. Matcha latte is 279. Green tea, 129. Ito yung mga coffee nila na available. Colombian. Meron din sila nito. 799. $369 si hazelnut. Super charcoal. Mayroon silang milk tea, 249. Kopi ko, 215. 189. 24 sticks. Dark chocolate. This is 379. $399. Kisses Santa Hat, 329. 329 din ito. 399. This is 299. Biscuit. Truffles, strawberry and cream with a hint of Baileys, 349. Ito naman, yan. This is 700. It is 199. Milk chocolate truffles. Ay hindi, 359 cheese nuggets. 359. Bago to. This Christmas milk candy cane is 199. This is 299. And ito naman ay 899. Okay, this is, look at this, Ryle. It's Chewy Twist Assorted Sour Punch. 499 or 449. Sweet Tart. Chewy pala to. 329 from 379.
baby, I wanna spend Christmas time with you. Christmas time with you. I want Christmas time with you. Like Christmas.
Dark fun size chocolate, $2.79. KitKat, $1.32. Tapos, itong mga naka-bucket na to, $504. Itong milk bucket, milk multi-sears. And then yung dark ay $519. Ito naman guys, 180 grams na dairy milk ng Cadbury, $159. Ito guys, itong malaking to, $359. This Toblerone, may 6 siya, is $379.
What can I do? It's another Christmas time without you. I wanna hold you so close, never ever let go. We'll go walking,
$174 yung Oreo na to.
play around in the snow.
Ito yung mga Pringles nila. Wow, maraming bago. Salt and vinegar, cheese and onions, $139. Tapos ang Lay's, $77. Si Picnic, which is 255 gram, $157. Yung mas malaki, 396 grams, is $234. $109 naman ang mga Pringles na to. Yung mga cheese, sour and onion, and the original. Pop-Tarts is $9.89.
Christmas time with you. I want Christmas time with you. I ask for the Christmas night.
This is new, $119.
It's so
Tapos, ito din, merong bago dito, donut, ayan, basta yan, $159. $199. Guys, this is new here sa SNR, which is the Savory Mini Crepe. Meron siyang cream cheese sa loob, which is $139.
if it stopped me feeling sad.
$2.89.
Oh baby,
Yung malaking pepero guys is $3.59. $189.
Christmas time with you.
Well, this is new also.
Christmas time with you. I've been talking to Santa, and he told me everything that you want this year. I went shopping and planning, ribbons and candles. I got it all right here. Mistletoe and champagne, I'll pour it on Christmas morning. Everything on your list, it's waiting if you go looking for it. I know you'll adore it. Your favorite gift.
These are the cereals na available ngayon dito sa SNR. Lucky Charms is $636. 574 Citrix. Cheerios Oat Crunch, $679. $579 ang ham. 699. Ang fruit cake. 619. Ito naman, 449. And then this one is 199. Carrot and walnut. Dalawa na. It's Moscato. Hardy, 714. This one is 354.
Lagyan mo na lang ng Coke
Ha? Coke?
para hindi masyadong
Meron
matapang.
naman kanina na try mo.
Sige, yan na lang.
Ayan, black label na, ayan. Meron siyang
Meron siyang
kasamang
gold
maliliit.
label, sir.
Gold label.
Double black.
At saka double black. So, 1239. 1 liter na rin yun, no? Yung ano, yung yung black label niya.
1 liter gift.
Mama, you know where you...
Yung ano naman, Chivas, 1049. Tequila Gold, 779. Alfonso, 276. Bacardi is 769. Hoog Garden, Belgian beer, 412. Ginro, Soju. Ito pala yon, Tequila Rose. Sale ang kanilang White Westinghouse na hair dryer, 1.5. And ito ko din kanilang iron, flat iron is 1.899. Ay, maganda to, oh, hair curler. 3.799. Buy one, take one. Glass bottle bath lotion. 6.99. Bath set, dual bottle. Shimmer hand soap at saka lotion. And this one, bath set, sphere bottle. May kasama siyang body wash, body wash, may body lotion, and ano to, hand cream. Oh, bath set, 12 days travel. Maliliit siya. Shower gel, may body lotion, may sponge, may bath salt. Then cute din to, oh, pambata. 999. Oh, gusto mo ba ng malaking cream silk? Ayan, 1149. Yung bagong Pantene, ayan, night repair, 479. Oh, bago tong ano na to, Aveeno conditioner. 547. Meron din silang almond oil which is 547 din. Ito ulit tayo sa buy one take one na to. Ang cute talaga tong lagayan na to. Trinket. Shower gel, body lotion, cream bath. Ito naman, ganun din. Pero ang ganda kasi may pouch. Kaya medyo pricey siya. Ayan. Body lotion and shower gel. Naka-sale ngayon or may ano siya, may less yung kanilang for men's na clear. 376 from 409. 229 na bubble gum brush. Ayan. If you want to know the price of their brown na toothbrush, 2,000. Ito naman napakamahal. 8,680. Meron din ito guys, oh, 3D na toothbrush, 389. Colgate is 589. Ito naman isa, 419. Nivea, 354. Ito naman, 399. Oh, St. Ives, 259. Vaseline, 399. Yung Aveeno's na set is 15. Jergens, 799. This is confirming 724. 13 naman tong Cetaphil na to. Aha, 999 ito guys, oh. 549 naman yan. Buy one, take one ito. Cetaphil, 739 yung lotion. Kakabili ko lang nito sa labas. 249 na lang. Dati siyang 349. Ang Ivory is 349. Cetaphil, 249. Menu ko, 324 na lang. How much ni siya karon? 2399. 2399. 2399 na lang. Gani, no?
Si Gio pumunta na.
Primrose, 949. Okay, Tylenol paracetamol is 439. Meron silang Lucas Papaw, which is 1459, pero tatlo na siya. And then Tiger Balm Cool Plaster is 199. Yung Tiger Balm nila is 229. Ayun sa ibabaw, guys. Mayroon din sila ditong allergy, antihistamine, which is 1349. Ayan, ito yung mga Vicks, nila, formula, betadine. May Anmam din, ayan. Of course, melatonin is here, 339. So, ito yung mga Pediasure Vanilla 1.8 kilogram, 2604. Lactum 1270. Enfagrow is 2475. 3 plus years old. Pag yung 123, 26 or 2969 Pro Meal, ayan guys, i-zoom nyo na lang. Kasi tinitignan na ako ng mga tao. Ito yung Pediasure na shade. They have also Scots here. Ito yung mga pambata nila na vitamins. Ayan. Probiotic 2299. Meron pala sila dito Goli na apple cider vinegar gummies, which is yan,